Hey there friends. In today's short video, I'm going to show you how to sort or alphabetize here right in Google Sheets. It's actually super easy. Let's do it right now. Okay, so as you can see, I have a really small, kind of simple Google Sheets spreadsheet here. And basically over here on the left, we have our team members. And at this point, they're just randomly arranged. And so I'd like for them to show up in an alphabetized category, meaning A through Z is how they will be sorted. So I'm going to show you my really quick way of doing this just to make it easy. So basically what we can do is we can select the cells that we want to be alphabetized. So in my case, I want these cells right here. So I'm just going to highlight those specific cells. Now you can do this for an entire column by just clicking the column head up here, or you can even do it for the entire sheet. And let me show you how to do that. So again, let me go ahead and just select these cells. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here at the help menu. I'm going to type in sort. And as you can see, it autofills some really common ways for sorting, including the A to Z method. So as you can see, you can click this. The entire sheet will sort by column A from A to Z, meaning A to Z will show up for this specific column, and that's how it'll arrange the whole sheet. We can also sort the range here from A to Z, meaning the selected range, and that's exactly what I want to do. You can also see there's some additional options for you to choose from. Again, I'm just showing you what I like to do to quickly grab this specific one. So let me go ahead and click on that and watch what happens to those cells I've selected. As you can see, they've been rearranged and sorted, alphabetized with the A to Z format. That's it, friends. Again, fairly simple. Now, again, all I've done is I've rearranged those specific names. I didn't include the data. So if you want to do the data, make sure you highlight the entire range that you want to be sorted. All right, I hope this has helped. If it has, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe because we're making a ton more of these super simple, super easy tutorial videos to make your life easier here in Google Sheets. All right, friends, we'll see you again on the next one.